Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's wait for a minute or more. Many people are still joining in. Just a minute or more. First day, that's the reason. Okay. So, now as this is a crash course, so you might feel that, the topics are being repeated or might be sometimes questions will be repeated. So this particular course, crash course will be such that we will be going from the chapter one, topic one. So each and every topic will be covered in this period of this crash course thing. Okay. And one more thing, for many people, the topics might be new. For many people, it would be like a revision session. So if you feel that something is being repeated, it's for your revision only. Yeah. So don't take it in the way that, because see, topic is going to remain same. We cannot, add in more topics over here. So whatever topics are implied for this mathematics or logical reasoning, we will be covering that only. But what I want is now, all of you, so this the complete agenda of the session is going to change the way we used to take. So before every session, I'll be sharing with you. Today I didn't share it early as this was the first session, as you wouldn't know what exactly is going to happen. But let's say today I'll give you what topic we are going to take in my next session, right? So I want you people to at least go through that. You can just Google it. If you have some material, you can just go through that material. And basically what you can do over there is like thoda bahut, you have to do the preparation before you attend the session. So when we attend the session, it's like if you at least know 10% of the topic, it becomes really very easy to understand 70% of the topic, and 30% would be covered by the practice thing. So we are going to keep this pattern. Okay. Now every session, whenever I take the session, I'll be using a PPT. Okay. Then this PPT, whatever we whatever I write it, how whatever I solve it, I'll be sharing the same PPT with you on your group, so that after the class, if you want to revise the questions, because see, it is not possible to cover 40-50 questions in one class. So it's better, what we will be taking is we'll be trying to solve each type of question, and the remaining question you have to solve it as a homework. Okay. Plus whatever material you have, start practicing that. We don't know when the dates will come. So all of a sudden, let's say they give a notification and you are not yet prepared with all the topics, then you will be in a fix. So don't wait, as it is your board exams are still, you didn't get any dates for that. So please don't wait, because in between you will get your board exams also. So every day start practicing, and don't think that hone do board exam fir dekhte. You never know, exams आपकी पहले हो जाएगी और फिर board exams होगा. So we have no idea what exactly is going to happen. Okay. So now today we will be starting with a very basic topic of mathematics. Okay. The topic is like BODMAS. Okay. Just a sec.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
our weekend lectures will be continuing too. और
that will go जैसे अभी तक चलते आ रहा था वो वैसे ही चलेगा.
Okay.
और ये वाले सेशंस का कोई लेना देना नहीं रहेगा. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just share the PPT with you people. Just let me know. Okay, is it visible to everyone? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thing for this crash course, this is going to rule from day one. आज मुझे भी थोड़ा लेट हो गया लिंक भेजने में, otherwise I'll be sending you the link in the morning itself. I want all of you, and I'll be starting the sessions 5 minutes early. I want all of you to join by 12 o'clock sharp, because at 12:05 I'll be just मैं ये meeting को lock कर दूंगी, and then if you're not able to join, I'm sorry, I'll not be able to admit you. Okay, so make it a point that you are not at all late by a minute also. So whatever you are, see, it is an online session. Your video is not visible to me, correct? So आप कुछ काम कर भी रहे हो तो at least session तो start कर दो. Why you want to be late, right? अगर आप दूसरा भी कुछ कर रहे हो, right? At least कुछ तो कानों में गिरेगा, because starting के 5-10 minutes से हम लोग theory लेते हैं. So don't miss the starting session and don't leave the session early, because I'll be keeping the track. If you leave the session early, the way you do it in your weekend batches, trust me, next 2 sessions I'll not admit you people. So these are the ground rules that you will have to follow for this crash course. Is it okay with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Only
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
she and Shantanu. Yeah. So now no one will leave the session, and I'll make it a point. आज तो मैं lock नहीं करूँगी meeting, but next time say I'm going to lock the meeting. Okay. So the topic that we are taking today is the BODMAS rule, basics of number system. Now this topic might be possible कि हम लोग 2 sessions में carry forward करें, because number system is a very vast topic. Okay. So now let's start with BODMAS rule. So first of all, BODMAS, when we say BODMAS, what is the full form of BODMAS? Quickly.
Brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction.
So basically BODMAS is nothing but a way of prioritizing the operations. So you give priority to some operations over the other. So the priority is normally given by the format which is given by BODMAS. That is nothing but, first of all, you will solve the numbers in the paragraph, then order or of, then you go over division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, right? So now if at all you have many brackets, so which bracket should be solved first? The innermost bracket. Priority should be given to the innermost bracket. Okay. O stands for order or of. Order means something like exponent. Okay. Of means nothing but multiplication. But what is this? What is difference between multiplication and of? So of matlab, let's say if you have a statement 15% of 30. Of aaya beech mein. What exactly you're doing? You're calculating 15% of 30. So of is nothing but what? Multiplication. But if you see of, you have to solve that first and then you have to go in for multiplication. So if you have a statement like 15% of 30 into 40. Don't do 30 into 40 and then uska 15% find karo. Wrong. You have to solve first 15% of 30. जो भी answer आएगा उसको आप 40 के साथ multiply करोगे. Got it, everyone? So this is what of means. Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, सबको पता है. There is something else also over here. It is called as V. Anyone, any idea what do you mean by V? What do you mean by V, BODMAS?
No, ma'am.
V stands for vinculum. Now let's say if I have a question like 6 plus 7 minus 8 into 7 plus 6 plus 5. Okay. And I give something like this. Now, what are these? The lines which I have drawn, these are nothing but bar, looking like some bar. Okay. So जो भी lower most bar है वो पहले solve करना है. तो सबसे पहले आप किसको solve करोगे? 6 plus 7. So it will be like 13 minus 8. And then 13 minus 8 के ऊपर दिख रहा है आपको bar. So 13 minus 8, you will do 5. Okay. Keep that 5 as it is into. यहाँ पे 7 plus 6 पहले करना है आपको. Correct. So 7 plus 6 will give me what number? 13. And इसके ऊपर ये आखिरी वाला bar है. Are you getting it? And then plus 5. So your answer will be nothing but 70. Got it? How to solve this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So this was the basic theory about V BODMAS. Okay. I hope everyone knows how to deal with fraction. Is there anyone over there who has difficulty in solving fractions? Okay, I'll take few. How do you convert this number 13 integer 2 upon 3? How do we convert it? This is a mixed fraction. How do we convert it into a improper fraction?
Multiply 13 by 3 and then add it to the numerator.
So it will be like 3 into 13 plus 2 upon whatever the denominator is. So your answer over here would be nothing but 41 upon 3. Okay. And let's say अगर आपको लिखना है 75 divided by 8. Okay, this is an improper fraction. We want to write it in a mixed fraction format. So just divide it. Okay, whatever your quotient you get, you will write it in the integer part, and fraction would be nothing but remainder upon divisor. So when you divide 75 by 8, okay, what is the quotient that you will get? 9. Remainder would be 3
3.
upon divisor was 8. So
8.
this is how you convert it. Okay. Now, let's say if you have something like 3 upon 4 upon 5 upon 2. If I want to just solve this, how do I write this number? 3 upon 4 into. Now see, this is nothing but a division sign. To remove the division sign, you write the reciprocal of the denominator, right? So it will be like 2 upon 5. This is how you write it. One more way, let's say if you have like 3 upon 4 upon 5. So how will you write this number? It will be like 3 upon 4 into 1 upon 5. Got it everyone? Because 5 upon कुछ नहीं है, तो 5 upon क्या लेंगे हम लोग यहाँ पे 1. So अब जब solve करोगे तो ये ऐसा लिखेंगे. So these are the 4 basic rules that you should know. Anyone, any doubts with this?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No, ma'am.
if at all you have any doubts, anyone, just stop me in between so that you know don't club the doubts in your mind. Okay, can we solve few questions based on BODMAS?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll help you with 1 or 2 questions and then you will have to solve a few more questions on your own. Okay, just a sec. Okay, now over here when we are solving this, just a sec, people, just a sec. There's some change in setting, not able to write. Yeah. Okay. So now this number, when we are going to solve, what is the first operation that we will have to perform? We don't have a bracket, or do we have a bracket over here?
We have a bracket.
We have a bracket. Okay. So what will happen when you try to solve this bracket? Pehle 216 divided by 12 karoge?
Yes.
So when you try to divide it by 12, what will happen? What is the number that you will be getting?
16.
18 or 16?
16. 16.
18.
18,
चिंता है मैम
18.
18, right? 12 ones are then 96, so 18. Okay, and 18 plus 8. How much this number will turn down to then?
26.
26.
26.
Okay. Now in the denominator, what is the denominator we have? 1 upon 13 of 26 minus 8 bracket चला गया है. क्या पहले solve करोगे? Of या
Of.
subtraction? Of.
ऑफ
Will be 1. Of का meaning क्या होता है basically?
मल्टीप्लिकेशन
Multiplication.
So 1 by 13 of 26 will be nothing but what? 2.
2
Yes.
So 2 minus 8 will give me what in the denominator?
-4
-6.
Minus 6.
sorry minus
1 upon 13 of 2, 26, 2 milega. 2 minus 8 will give me minus 6. Now let's check the numerator. So what we will do over here? Shall we do squaring pehle karu ya pehle 6 और 3 को simplify कर दूं?
Of.
मैम स्क्वायरिंग सबसे लास्ट में करो वो
नहीं,
पहले ऑफ का करो
नहीं, हमेशा याद रखना स्क्वायरिंग या एक्सपोनेंट जो होता है वो सबसे पहले करना होता है. See, if you do like 6 square into 1 upon 3, that will be 36 upon 3, correct? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन है इसलिए इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. लेकिन अगर कुछ ऐसा रहता 6 स्क्वायर प्लस 3, तो आप क्या पहले 6 प्लस 3 करते और फिर स्क्वायर करते या 6 को स्क्वायर करके प्लस 3 ऐड करोगे?
6 को स्क्वायर करके प्लस
6 को स्क्वायर
Plus
करके
3.
करेंगे
सी यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? बिकॉज 6 प्लस 6 स्क्वायर जब लेने भी जाओगे तो क्या होगा? 6 into 1 upon 3. कोई फर्क पड़ा क्या यहाँ पे सॉल्व करने में भी?
No.
नहीं
अलग अलग आने वाला है. सेम आएगा. Why? Because there was, but what if it was there was a plus over here or minus? So always make it a habit that you are solving exponent first, okay, and then you are moving towards the rest of the operation. So 6 square will give me 36. 36 into 1 by 3 of 1/12 divided by 1/18. अभी क्या करोगे? अभी into 1/3 करोगे या पहले 1/3 of 1/12 करोगे?
1/3 of 1/12.
12 divided by
So
18.
this is the first number that you will be doing, of, right? Always go with the BODMAS, this thing only. Apply the BODMAS technique only. So 1/3 of 1/12. What will be this number? It will be
1 by
this, right?
yes.
Reciprocal नहीं लेना, यहाँ पे division नहीं है. So this number will turn out to what? 1/36, correct? And now what you have? Your number will look something like 36 is into 1/36 divided by 1/18. अभी क्या करोगे पहले?
Division.
Division. So over here it will be like 36 into 1/36 into 18,
18.
right? So further, when you try to solve this, what we will get over here? 1s are
1/2.
और यहाँ पे 18 बचेगा फिर से, so it will be 18 upon -6. So finally your answer will be what? -3. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
but हमने पहले वो 1/12 divided by 1/18 क्यों नहीं किया?
BODMAS बताओ बोल के. What is the
Brackets of division.
off? पहले आया division.
Okay, off.
Correct ना? Yeah.
Yes. Ma'am, but the operation is multiplication only, na?
Operation, it's like off. Off is multiplication, though it is multiplication, but still you have to solve it, before. See, I gave you a very simple example. 1 upon, let's say 5. Okay, let's do it in a different way. 20% of 30, okay, into 5. Okay, this is there in front of you. Now, will you solve 20% of 30 first, या तो 13 into 5 कर लोगे और फिर उसका 20% निकालोगे?
20% of 30.
20% of 30 पहले निकालोगे, right? Because अगर आप 20% of 150 निकालोगे तो number पूरा change हो गया. So why did you do that? See, to avoid these different answers, this BODMAS rule is being made, right? So because everyone will solve it by some different method only, and everyone will get different answer. That's the reason there has been some rule which is set down to solve these. इसलिए पहले off करोगे and then you will go for multiplication, division, whatever it is. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No need to take the screenshots. I'll be sharing the complete thing with you. If you don't understand, then you can tell me. Okay. How to solve this? Should we start from top to bottom or bottom to top?
Bottom to top.
Bottom to top. So first we will be solving this. 2 minus 1/3. So how do we solve this? How do we solve this?
We make the denominator 10.
So basically you will try to like, just a second.
Make the
Yeah. So basically what we are going to do over here is 2 into 3 minus 1/3, correct?
yes.
So that will be nothing but what? 5/3.
Yes.
So ये number कैसे turn out होगा? Just a second, I'll just write. So it will be like -2. यहाँ तक तो लिखा है upon 5/3, but upon निकालना है मुझे, right? So can I write nothing but 3/5?
Into 3.
ये क्यों किया मैंने?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please explain it again?
See, this will come what? This will be 5/3. Did you get this?
Yes, ma'am.
What is 2/5/3? You remember अभी मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले बताया था फ्रैक्शन के साथ डील करना. So this is nothing but what? This is a division sign. To remove division sign, what you do? You multiply by the reciprocal. Now you understood what did I do? Why did I do 2 into 3/5?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Now further, let's say we are solving this. So 1/2 minus 4/2 minus. Now this will be nothing but 6/5.
Yes.
Okay. Now either you take 2 common, cancel out, or just solve it directly. Numbers छोटे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. Okay. So what we will be getting after solving this box?
4/5.
4/5. But can I say 4/5? ये जब लिखेंगे तो ये 5/4 हो जाएगा और 4 cancel हो जाएगा.
हाँ, 2 minus 5 हो जाएगा.
So it will be nothing but what? 2 minus 5. That's it. So this will be nothing but what? Minus What will
1
be
by 3.
answer? Minus 1 upon 3. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, now I want you people to solve this. And by the way, everyone is there in the group, right? Whosoever is attending the session right now.
Yes.
Okay, so try solving this. I'll be giving you few more examples from the sheet which is being shared. Okay, I'm writing down few questions. I want everyone to solve these questions. So this question you're already solving. This is question number 3, I guess. So you have to solve question number 3. The next question that you will be solving is question number 5. Next one would be question number 6. Next one would be question number 7. Then question number 9. And finally, you will be solving question number 8. Okay, solve these many questions and then we will check. That's the correct one, Ayush. Ayush, where were you from these many days? Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, where were you? Didn't attend any of the session.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, from last 2 months, I was studying the class 12 stuff, so I couldn't join.
Last 2 months, I don't remember you took any session from December, I guess.
No, ma'am, I was there in December. From Jan 15th, approx, I didn't join.
Okay. Now don't be irregular, okay? Attend each and every session, Ayush.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Disha, that's the correct answer. Shantanu correct, Mayank correct. Shantanu check for 6th and 7th. Sorry, 6th and 7th are correct. You didn't solve 5th one, Shantanu, I guess.
हाँ नहीं मैम.
One is correct. Nia, third one not correct. Check it. Shreyas, 5th one is correct. Be selective in solving the questions. And do one thing, solve all the questions and then put it on the group. I mean, in the chat. One question, please don't do it. Mansi, 5th one is correct. Chetrali, for your 6th answer. 7th one. Please check for your 6th and 7th question. राज किसका दे रहे हो आंसर वो तो लिखो. You have to write question number and then the answer. Mayank, that's the correct one. Raj, if you have given in the sequence that 3rd, 5th and then so on and so forth, then check for the last one. Last one is incorrect. Raj.
The 7th one, ma'am.
Yeah. 7th or the 9th, I don't know. A आपने जो आखिरी में किसका दिया है, I don't know.
A 7th का दिया है.
Okay, then it is correct. Okay, now let's check the questions one by one. Now, when you're solving this example, which is there, the 3rd question, let's solve it. So, सबसे पहले you'll have to solve the innermost bracket, like 5/2 plus 9/4 minus 2/3. Can I take the LCM over here? 2, 3, 4, right? So, if you take LCM as 12, you will multiply 5/6. So, you'll get 30 plus 4. I mean, यहाँ पे 3 से multiply करोगे, right? So, this will be 27 minus 4 2s are 8 upon 12. Okay, divided by. Now, one integer 1/4 can be written as 5/4. So this is your first bracket. Let's solve this bracket first. Now, 30 plus 27 minus 8. What is the number that you will be getting over here? 49. Correct? What is the number that you will be getting? 30 minus 8 will give me what? 22
49.
plus 27 will give me 49. So this will be 49/12. Division का sign निकाल दो तो क्या हो जाएगा? 4/5 and this goes, let's say, like, और ये bracket पूरा आपको क्या मिलेगा? 49/15. correct? So ये bracket आपको मिला. After that you have to solve the next bracket. Just a sec. So next bracket goes as minus 3/5. This two integer 2/5 can be written as like minus 12/5 minus 1. Now to make this as like 5/5, so can I write this is nothing but 5/5? That is as good as minus 1, right? Now all the denominators are same. Let's work with the numerator. Minus 3 minus 12 minus 5. So it will be minus 20/5. Minus 20/5 will give me what? Minus 4. Okay? So when you further try to solve this, you remove the division sign. जो भी answer रहेगा वो negative रहेगा. And what is the final answer that you are getting? Nothing but minus 49/60, which is option D. Got it, everyone? Next one. Okay. Given over here, A is this, B is this, and C is this. Find out which is the greatest, which is the smallest. कैसे करते हैं इसको solve? How do we solve it? Relation between A and B, let's say. One is 5/9, other one is 6/13. Go with a simple method over here. Percentage का method से जाओ. 9 का 50% कितना होता है 9 का? What is
4.5.
4.5. और ये नंबर 50% ज्यादा है या कम है? 5 ज्यादा है ना?
हाँ.
मतलब ये जो नंबर है आपका ये 50% से ज्यादा होगा, करेक्ट?
Yes.
और दिस 13 का हाफ कितना होता है?
6.5. 6.5.
और ये नंबर 6.5 से कम है, दैट मींस ये 50% से कम है. तो इन दोनों में अभी बड़ा कौन है?
A.
9. ये समझा सबको?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's try to find out A and C. Let's try to compare A and C. Okay. So it's like 5/9 and 25/49. Again, we know this 5/9 is more than 50%, right? 49 का half कितना होता है?
24. 4.5.
24 point something. मतलब 50 से कम है.
Yes.
तो इन दोनों में कितना कौन बड़ा है अभी भी?
A.
5/9. Yes or?
Yes.
Yes. So now can we say that A is the greatest one?
Yes.
Yes. So that means ये option rule out हो गया. Now we have to check B और C में who is the greater one. So दोनों भी number हमारे 50% से कम है, correct? Can we try to find out now? अगर अभी यहाँ पे हमको find करना है which is the greatest number, which is the smallest number. What you can do, again, if you want percentage, work with percentages. But working with percentages, you should be very precise with finding out the percentages, right? Or else you can directly try to divide, or else you can do cross multiplication. That is one more way of solving it. So it will be 6 into 49 करोगे, 13 into 25 करोगे, 6 into 49 करोगे, 54, 5 carry, so that will be
294.
4. And यहाँ पे अगर करोगे 13 5 is
7.
carry, 26 plus 6 is 325. Which number is greater? 325. That means this fraction is greater, right? So now can we say A is the greatest one? बाद में कौन सा fraction आएगा? C. You get B.
Yes.
So which option is the correct one?
Second.
A, C, B, the second one. Option B. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
The next question. Did I give you this question to solve? 6? Yeah, I gave you. Okay, now how to solve this question? can we take x square on one side and the rest of the constant terms on other side, something like this?
Yes, ma'am.
ना जब सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो तो कैसे करते हैं? ऐसा कुछ लिखते हो क्या? 776 minus 0.1 यहाँ पे करते हो सब्ट्रैक्शन, या
Nine.
7 के नीचे लिखोगे, right? So it has to be minus 0.1. You'll write it in this way. So what is the number that you are getting now?
0.676.
0.676, right? Now we have to find the basically square root now, because we need to find value of x, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Now what do you think, what will be the answer? What do you think?
0.25 or 0.8.
0.25.
0.25.
0.25 or 0.8.
Can you tell me why 0.25? By the way, what is square of 0.8? इसका square कितना होता है? What is square of 0.8?
64. 0.64.
64 नहीं आएगा, ये क्या आएगा?
0.64.
0.64, correct? Okay. What is 0.25?
625.
0.625 रहेगा या और कुछ आएगा? Point कहाँ?
0.0625.
Yes, 0.0625, correct? Yeah. Now अभी बताओ क्या आंसर होना चाहिए यहाँ पे? अगर आप बाकी के नंबर्स देखते हो, अभी 2.6 का स्क्वायर क्या आएगा? बट ऑब्वियसली
0.8.
कुछ नहीं आने वाला, और 1.5 भी कुछ नहीं आएगा, करेक्ट? सो इधर हैज टू बी ए ऑप्शन और डी ऑप्शन. नाउ ए ऑप्शन पॉसिबल नहीं है बिकॉज़ ये थोड़ा दूर हो रहा है, बट इफ यू सी डी ऑप्शन इट इज समवेयर नियर, बिकॉज़ यहाँ पे उन्होंने वर्ड क्या यूज किया है? अप्रोक्सीमेट.
Approximately.
सो अप्रोक्सीमेट की वजह से वी कैन अप्रोक्सीमेट दिस नंबर टू 0.8. गॉट इट एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
The next one. Okay, so you had to solve this. Now 35.56 into 41. So can I write something like 3556 into 4129 upon, correct? To remove the points, and this is equal to x into 532 upon 10. Only 1 0 gets cancelled out. Okay. Now you have to solve it further. Normally आप जैसे solve करते हो वैसे आपको solve करना है, and then you have to find the answer over here. Is it possible to get it by some shortcut way over here? या पूरा divide multiplication करना ही पड़ेगा?
Ma'am, we can do multiplication of 35 and 40 only, and 50 into some number which
Basically,
is
आप मुझे
nearer
क्या
to.
बोल रहे हो कि approximate करो? यहाँ पे 3 zeros है ना नीचे, right? So
Yes.
से आप मुझे बोल रहे हो कि approximate कर दो, right? So you can do like 35 into 40, okay, divided by 50.
Yes.
Trying to approximate the number, right? So this will be like 7 4s are कितना आ रहा है? 28. This is what you want to you want me to do, Chitrali?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so 28 आ रहा है. अभी 28 के आसपास में अगर आप देखते हो 35, 34, 38 काफी दूर चला जाता है. बचता क्या हमारे पास?
27.6.
As it is, उन्होंने वर्ड क्या यूज किया है? अप्रोक्सीमेट. हाँ बोलो.
मैम ये 35 into 40 क्यों किया, नहीं समझा.
अप्रोक्सीमेट कर दिया. See, आप हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं ना, सबके सिर्फ फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट्स ले रहे हैं.
ओके
क्या अप्रोक्सीमेशन कर रहे हैं हम लोग.
मैम, तो डिवाइड बाय 50 क्यों किया?
फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट्स ले रहे हैं, इसलिए मैंने बोला.
ओके.
Right? So now over here, basically see, अभी ये भी approximation करते हो ना, बहुत सोच समझ के करना पड़ेगा. अगर ये ऑप्शंस बहुत क्लोज होते, right? बहुत क्लोज होता है तो फिर approximation method कभी भी वर्क नहीं करेगा. Then you have to go with your normal regular methods, cancel, simplification, so on and so forth. But पहले try करो approximate से कुछ आंसर आ रहा है क्या? अगर आ रहा है that means कहाँ ना कहाँ जाके कुछ ना कुछ वो एक प्रैक्टिस के थ्रू आपको समझ जाएगा कि okay, this answer is correct, this answer is not correct, I still have to work on this, right? So this will happen with practice. Got it, everyone? The next question, I gave you 9th question or done? Did I give you this question to solve? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. You gave.
Okay. Now, 3 into under root of 1296. First of all, ये 1296 किसका square root है?
36.
36.
36 का square root है. So it will be like 3 into 36 and 1728 किसका cube root है?
12.
Okay. Divided by 27 का square. What is 27 का square?
729.
27 का square is 729 divided by 4 is equal to x divided by 33 का square. Now 33 का square अगर आपको करना है, so what will be 33 का square over here? So you can go with some method. No, whenever you are solving the square, it is like आप method क्या करते हैं? Which is 9, 3 का square 9, then 3 into 3 into 2, which will give you 18. One carry for the next operation. What is the next operation? You have to find square of 3. So 3 ka square is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So this is how you do, or else you can just write this number as 33 into 33. Why? Because might be kaha na kuch cancel out ho jayega. You can do it anyway. Okay. Now we have to find x. और यहाँ पे सब multiplication division ही है, तो sequence का कोई फर्क पड़ रहा है क्या? Now, 729 divide by 4, ये कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग?
4 न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे.
4 न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे.
हाँ, because it is 729 upon 4 ना, तो 4 ऊपर चला जाएगा.
So basically,
729 divided.
think and then give me an answer.
No, ma'am.
729 में आएगा 729 into 1 by 4.
See, now over here पहले क्या है? 12
sorry.
divided by
729 into 4.
Into
See,
4.
पहला क्या है? 12 divided by 729. बराबर? ये जो भी आंसर आएगा इसको आप डिवाइड कर रहे हो 4 से. 4 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? 729 into 1 upon 4 मतलब यहाँ पे क्या होएगा? मल्टीप्लाई के साथ. समझा सबको ये क्या किया?
हाँ, सॉरी उल्टा बोला था मैं. हाँ.
Got it, everyone? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Here it will be like x upon 33 into 33. क्या क्या cancellations हो रहे हैं? 3 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 9. यहाँ पे ये 36 में एक और 3 आए. कितने 3s आने वाले 36 में और? सी कैंसिलेशंस करना है आपको 729 के साथ में, राइट?
दो आने वाले हैं.
आ रहे हैं न्यूमरेटर में कितने 3s आ रहे हैं?
4.
2 3 तो डायरेक्ट दिख रहा है 36 में. 36 is nothing but 3 into 2 into 2, correct? Yes or no? So we get 4 3s. That means यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर में क्या मिल रहा है? 3 raised to 4 into 4 upon 729 मतलब 3 raised to what number?
5.
5? No.
6.
6. Right? And this is equal to x into 33 into 33. Now यहाँ पे ये कैंसिल और कितने 3s बचे अभी डिनोमिनेटर में? Only 2.
2.
So you will get the next step. I am doing it over here. It will be like 4 upon 3 into 3 is equal to x upon 33 into 33. Can I cancel this 3 over here और यहाँ पे बचा 11 दोनों जगह पे?
Yes.
Yes. So अभी 11 11 सा कितना?
121.
121 into 4.
484.
Oh.
Answer over here is 484. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
ma'am.
Anyone any doubts with bottom up?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या डाउट है? You said yes, ना? Someone said yes. Okay, no doubts. Can we move on to the next topic now? The next topic is conversion of decimals to percentages. Now, conversions of decimals to percentages. Now let's say if I write 0.33, if I want to convert it to fraction, कैसे convert करते हो? फटाफट बोलो.
1 upon
9. It would be 33. Decimal point
Upon
निकालना.
100.
जब भी
33
आप
upon 100.
100 करते हो ना, right?
Yes.
Okay. Second one. 5, 6, 3. कैसे करोगे इसको?
563 upon 1000.
563 upon 1000, right? But let's say अगर हमारे पास कोई नंबर आता है 0.3 डॉट, ये डॉट का मीनिंग क्या होता है टॉप पे?
recurring.
That 3 is recurring.
तो नीचे कितने जीरोस लिखोगे? 3 अपॉन क्या नंबर लिखोगे? 1 0 0 0 ऐसे इंफिनिटी ऐसा कुछ लिखोगे क्या वहां पे? नो. Always remember, whenever you have recurring number, denominator में क्या लिखोगे? Whatever the number is, write that number 3 upon, instead of zeros, what you will put is 9. तो जितने numbers recur हो रहे हैं, I'll give you few more. 0.34 bar. It means that number is 0.3434343434 till infinity. इसको जब लिखना है तो क्या लिखोगे? 34 upon 99. Why did I write 99? Because there are two numbers which are recurring after decimal point. समझ में आया ये?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's see if I give you something like 0.565 recurring. क्या आएगा ये?
565 upon 999.
565 upon 999.
999, correct? Yes.
Yes.
Now, let's see if I give you something different number 0.51 डॉट से इसका मीनिंग क्या होएगा?
5111111 recurring.
बेसिकली यहाँ पे 5 रिकर हो रहा है क्या? नहीं, ओनली बीन रिकरिंग. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, सी जब नॉन रिकरिंग थे तो आपने जीरोस का यूज किया, जब रिकरिंग थे तो आपने 9 का यूज किया. अब ये जो नंबर लिखा है, इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रिकरिंग एज वेल एज नॉन रिकरिंग नंबर्स, करेक्ट? Yeah.
Yes.
All this, there is some method. What is that method? Write the number as it is, that is 51. उसमें से नॉन रिकरिंग पार्ट को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. Which is a non recurring part? 5. Yes or no? This is a non recurring part, correct? Yeah. So पूरे नंबर में से नॉन रिकरिंग पार्ट को सब्ट्रैक्ट अपॉन जितने रिकरिंग नंबर्स है उसके 9 लिखो और जितने नॉन रिकरिंग नंबर है आफ्टर डेसिमल उसके 0 लिखो. So basically आपका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? What this number will turn out to be? It will be 46 upon 90. Got it everyone? If you have calculator, you can just cross divide करके देखो, आंसर आएगा 0.51. समझ में आया सबको ये?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's take few more of this type.
Yes.
0.6223 रिकर हो रहा है. So क्या है मेथड? पूरा नंबर as it is लिखो, that is 623. इसमें से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे?
5.
नहीं, 5 तो है ही नहीं. 6 नॉन रिकरिंग पार्ट, राइट? अपॉन जितने
990.
17 upon 900.
करेंगे तो 2 9, ओके, और एक नॉन रिकरिंग है तो उसका एक 0. सो आंसर ओवर हियर क्या हो जाएगा? दैट विल बी 617 अपॉन 990. समझ में आया सबको ये? नेक्स्ट वन, लेट्स सी इफ आई राइट 4.51 recurring. Again method is same, write the number as it is 451. okay, इसमें से अब क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे? नॉन रिकरिंग पार्ट. नॉन रिकरिंग पार्ट मतलब क्या है? 45 अपॉन कितने नंबर रिकर हो रहे हैं? How many numbers? Only one. And how many numbers are non recurring?
2.
No. रिकरिंग कभी भी डेसिमल के बाद में होता है. डेसिमल के पहले कोई नंबर रिकर हो रहा है उसका कोई हमको कुछ करना ही नहीं है. गॉट इट? और वो हो ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि डेसिमल पॉइंट आ रहा है बीच में. सो आफ्टर डेसिमल हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर नॉन रिकरिंग? 1. सो इसलिए आप 1 0 डालोगे. गॉट इट? ये समझा क्या सबको मैंने क्या किया है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, so number over here will be 406 upon 90. Okay. Next. How do we write this number now?
565 minus 56
Upon what?
on 900.
Why 0?
Only 9.
upon
Only
9.
9.
Only 9. Decimal
only
के बाद
9.
कुछ भी नॉन रिकरिंग नंबर नहीं है, इसलिए only
Yes.
9. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So further when you try to solve it, क्या मिलेगा आपको? That would be 509
509.
upon 9, and that's the answer. Understood everyone how to convert this recurring to decimal to fractions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Anyone any doubts with this?
No, ma'am.
If no doubt, solve this question and tell me what's the answer.
Bar.
Shantanu, mute.
Option B.
419 upon 990. Option B.
B.
Option B 419 upon 990. So this यहाँ पे क्या recur हो रहा है? Only 23. So it will be 23 minus what?
Four.
Minus 4 non-recurring upon जितने non-recurring है उसके 9 और non-recurring एक ही number तो 990. So answer over here will be 419 upon 990. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Anyone any doubts with this?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Can we switch to next topic now? Or do you want to solve
Yes, ma'am.
few more examples on this? Do you want me to give some examples for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to just convert these numbers to, fractions. These are the questions. Give it a try, everyone.
Done, ma'am.
Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, इसका क्या आंसर आएगा?
4160 by 100.
4160.
या 416 अपॉन 100 लिखा तो भी चलेगा, 0 वैसे भी कैंसिल होता है, और वैसे भी डेसिमल के बाद में लास्ट जीरो को कोई सिग्निफिकेंस नहीं रहता है. ओके, ये वाला नंबर कैसे किया? सो इट विल बी लाइक
645 by 990.
माइनस
645 by 990.
क्या आएगा? 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन का है.
अरे हाँ सॉरी,
क्वेश्चन का है.
yeah. So now this one was easy. So this will be what? 651.
651.
6 upon 990, right? This will be what? It will be 645 upon 990. Okay, next one, third one. So that will be
411 by 90.
minus 45 upon 90. कितना आ रहा है ये नंबर?
411.
करेक्ट. ओके, द नेक्स्ट नंबर कैसे रहेगा? 33344. इसमें से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे?
333.
और अभी डिनोमिनेटर में क्या जाएगा? 29 बिकॉज ऑफ 2 नंबर्स रिकर हो रहे हैं,
2 zeros.
रिकरिंग के 2 zeros, राइट? आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस व्हाट नंबर विल यू गेट?
333011.
330011 कैसे? Oh, sorry, yeah.
33011.
011 upon 9900. One. So this will be 6612 minus 6 upon 999,
999.
right? So this number will be 6606 upon 999. अभी समझा सबको ये कन्वर्जन? किसी को कोई डाउट है कन्वर्जन्स के साथ में?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Now I want you people to solve this question. 0.2 recurring plus 0.2 recurring. Is this equal to 0 recurring? True or false? Question over here is true or false? 3 plus 2 5 ना, तो 5 true बराबर ना? True. चेक करो तो ट्रू आता है क्या?
आता है.
True.
नहीं.
ट्रू नहीं आएगा मैम.
क्या करोगे इसको? 5/9. या 5/9 आ रहा है, उसके बाद उसको ऐड करते हो, राइट? सो इट विल बी लाइक 3/9 upon 2/9, which will give you 5/9. Okay, so this statement is true or false now?
False.
It's true ना मैम?
True है ना?
True है.
ट्रू है ना? ये देखो ना, 9 है ना डिनोमिनेटर में, तो अगर ये निकालना है तो आप क्या करोगे? डिवाइड भी करने जाओगे तो क्या होएगा? 0.555555.
Recurring.
That means the statement is true, right? Now, what if it is like 0.3 bar plus 0.2 bar? Is this equal to 0.6 bar? Sorry, multiplication. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes.
No. 3/9 into 2/9. सॉल्व करते हो तो क्या हो जाएगा? ये 6/81. समझा क्या सबको ये क्या हो रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
So don't judge the answers directly by the कि चलो रिकरिंग में 3 है, 2 उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 0.6 आएगा. नहीं, convert it to fraction and then tell me whether it is true or false. So this was a false statement. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts with this conversions? Any doubt with
No.
BODMAS?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so we are really going from very yes. That anyone feeling that ये कुछ useless है, कुछ काम का नहीं है कुछ ऐसा कोई? नहीं बोलोगे. And there are people who are leaving the meeting. I'm making a note and trust me to allow you to attend next few sessions. If you want to leave, put it in a chat, take permission. If I find it valid, if it is really valid that you should leave this meeting, yes, you can. Okay, now let's go on to the next topic. The next topic is divisibility test. The next topic is, yes.
Ma'am, I'm having some doubts while solving board mass.
What doubts, Gargi?
मैम लाइक सॉल्व करते वक्त समझ नहीं आ रहा है, कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है.
Any specific question जहाँ पे आपको confusion हुआ यहाँ पे?
मैम जो पहले वाले क्वेश्चंस थे ना, उनमें जो बड़े बड़े क्वेश्चंस थे,
वो बड़े बड़े क्वेश्चन देके कंफ्यूजन इसलिए हो रहा है बिकॉज पहले तो दिमाग में एक आपने डाल दिया दैट बहुत बड़े क्वेश्चन है, बहुत ज्यादा कैलकुलेशन है. सबसे पहले उसको निकालो. सेकेंड थिंग, जस्ट गो विद द सीक्वेंस. जहां पे पहले ब्रैकेट दिखता है, सॉल्व दैट ब्रैकेट फर्स्ट. ब्रैकेट सब निकल गए, उसके बाद में ढूंढो ऑफ किधर दिख रहा है. जहां जहां पे ऑफ दिख रहा है उसको सॉल्व करो, वो निकाल दो. फिर देखो कि डिवीजन साइन किधर दिख रही है, उसको सॉल्व करो, उसको निकालो. सो डू बाय स्टेप करके. तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने काफी स्टेप्स स्किप करके हमने लिखा है यहाँ पे शॉर्टकट. If you are getting confused, try writing each and every step, at least for first 7 to 8 questions. Then you can try skipping the steps. Okay?
yes ma'am, thank you.
Okay. Now the next topic, divisibility test. The first number. Anyone who knows what is test of 2? So given a number, can you tell me whether it is divisible by 2 or no? कैसे find करोगे आप?
Last
number
digit
is
will be
even
even
number.
or not.
Last digit should be an even number. Basically, last digit should be divisible by what?
2.
By 2, right? What would be test for 4?
The last 2 digits should be divisible by.
Yes, last 2 digits should be divisible by 2. Nahi, by what? 4.
4.
Right? 8.
Last 3 digits.
3
digits.
digits should be divisible by 8.
8.
16.
Last 4 digits.
Last 4 digits. So these are nothing but test of all the numbers of power. 32 तक जाओगे ही नहीं. 2, 4, 8, 16 ज्यादा से ज्यादा यही नंबर्स का वर्क करोगे. ये सबको.
Yes, ma'am.
तो अगर कोई नंबर दिया है और आपको बोला कि वो 2 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं है, तो आप क्या करोगे? लास्ट चेक करोगे. 4 से है या नहीं है, तो लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स चेक करोगे. 8 से है या नहीं है, आप लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स को चेक करोगे. डोंट चेक द कंप्लीट नंबर. 16 के लिए लास्ट 4 डिजिट्स को चेक करोगे. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
अगर ये सबको समझा है, now I want to give you a question over here. Question is like 5, 1, 6, 4, 8, 9, 7. This number when divided by 8, what is the remainder? Now over here, will you divide the complete number by 8 and then check what is the remainder? No. 8 का टेस्ट क्या है? What is test for 8?
Last 3 digits should be divisible
Last
by.
3 digit. तो आप बाकी के digits को discard कर दो. Just divide 897 upon 8. क्या remainder आएगा? 8 से करोगे 1 जा, फिर से 1 जा, 17. So remainder 1 आया.
Yes.
समझा क्या आपको कैसे किया? सी 8 1 जा, फिर से 8 1 जा, यहाँ पे 17 बचा. सो 2 जा किया, तो अगेन 1 इज द रिमाइंडर. करेक्ट? सो नो नीड टू डिवाइड द कंप्लीट नंबर. ये जो टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी हम लोग चेक कर रहे हैं, दैट गिव्स यू द रिमाइंडर टेस्ट आल्सो. सो लेट्स से इफ आई गिव यू अ क्वेश्चन लाइक नंबर 5 1 6 4 8 9 7 divided by 4, what will be the remainder over here? पूरा नंबर
1.
डिवाइड करोगे क्या?
1.
कि किसको डिवाइड करोगे अभी?
97.
सिर्फ लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स को. करेक्ट? सो ये बाकी का नंबर पूरा डिस्कार्ड. सो 97 डिवाइडेड बाय 4, व्हाट इज द रिमाइंडर अगेन?
1.
समझा ये सबको? व्हाट इफ आई गिव यू अ नंबर, व्हाट इफ आई गिव यू अ नंबर 5 1 6 4 8 9 6 divided by 4, what is the remainder that you will get over here?
0.
0. can we say when the remainder is 0, that means this number is divisible by 4?
Yes.
Are you
Yes.
understanding what statement I made? So whenever your remainder is 0, that number is divisible by 4. समझा ये? So यही चीज हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे लिखा है ना, last two digits if it is divisible by 4. Divisible है मतलब क्या है? उसका remainder 0. समझ में ये दोनों चीज कैसे कनेक्ट हुई? Divisibility test and remainder.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it everyone? So जो
Yes,
divisibility रहेगा वही टेस्ट रिमाइंडर फाइंड करने के लिए यूज करोगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ नंबर्स नाउ. 3. Anyone who knows 3 का टेस्ट?
Addition of all the
Addition of
numbers
two-
will be divisible.
Addition of numbers.
All digits. Okay, and this digits whatever you get, now this sum whatever you get should be
Divisible by 3.
divisible by 3. What is test for 9? Same. सब कुछ same. सिर्फ sum should be divisible by what? 9.
9.
समझा क्या ये सबको? So let's say
Yes.
if I give you a question 4, 5, 8, 1, 7, 2. Is it divisible by 9?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
तो यहाँ पे ना पूरे नंबर्स भी ऐड मत करो. ट्राई टू मेक पेयर्स ऑफ 9. जैसे 4, 5 का पेयर 9 देता है,
9.
8, 1, 9 देता है, 9, 7, 2, 9. बट ऑब्वियस है ना 9, 9, 9 कितने भी बार ऐड करो वो 9 से डिविजिबल रहेगा ही रहेगा उसका सम. समझ में आ रहा है ये शॉर्टकट सारे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So based on this, I give you one question. There's a number 5, 4A, 5 and B. Okay. See that this number is divisible by, let's say, 2 and 3. This number, okay, is divisible by 2 and 3, and you have to find values of A and B. क्या करना यहाँ पे? Okay, you have to find maximum values of A and B. Which number will you find first, A or B?
B.
B.
B. B मिल सकता है ना, because 2 का टेस्ट क्या बोलता है? What is 2 का टेस्ट?
Last number.
One digit should be divisible by 2, and you want the maximum values for A and B. So ऐसा कौन सा सबसे बड़ा digit है
8.
जो 2 से divisible है?
8.
8. So B का value is 8, and now your number becomes what? 3, 5, 4, 8, 5, 8. Now can we add up all the digits here? So 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 5
It will be 2.
17 plus 8 is 25. 25 में ऐसा कौन सा नंबर ऐड करो वो नंबर 3 से डिविजिबल हो जाएगा?
2.
2.
सिर्फ 2.
Ma'am,
मैक्सिमम
highest-
नंबर चाहिए मुझे.
5. 8.
You can add 5 also, you can add 8 also. If I add 8, what will happen? 25 plus 8 कितना हो जाएगा? 33. So मैक्सिमम नंबर क्या ऐड करेंगे हम लोग?
8.
8. So answer over here will be what? 8 and 8. समझा क्या सबको ये?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. और अगर मैंने मिनिमम पूछा होता तो?
2 and 2.
0.
हाँ?
0. B 0 रहता था.
Very good. B was 0. B 2 नहीं रहेगा. Minimum चाहिए, right? So B would be 0. Maximum है इसलिए हमारे आंसर्स 8 and 8 आए. अगर मिनिमम A and B चाहिए तो B would be what? 0. And A का वैल्यू क्या रहेगा फिर?
1. 1.
Now 3 plus
2.
5,
2.
8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 5,
17.
8, 17 plus 0, 17. So 17 में ऐसा क्या मिनिमम ऐड करोगे कि वो 3 से डिविजिबल हो जाएगा? 1.
1.
17 plus 1 is 18. समझ में आया ये? समझ में आया क्या सबको ये?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the maximum value of A plus B? अगर आपको ये A plus B मैक्सिमम चाहिए तो आपको A भी मैक्सिमम चाहिए और B भी मैक्सिमम चाहिए, करेक्ट?
Yes.
Yes. तो ये
16.
कितना आएगा? 16, right? Okay. Now what will be maximum value of A plus B? ये वैल्यू मैक्सिमम कब होगी?
जब एक मैक्सिमम रहेगा और दूसरा मिनिमम रहेगा।
कौन सा मैक्सिमम चाहिए इसमें?
A maximum.
A should be max to max and B should be minimum to minimum possible. तो हमने वो फाइंड कर लिया है ना, which is the maximum value of A?
8.
8.
Which is the minimum value of B? 0. So this
Eight.
would be 8. अगर मुझे चाहिए minimum of A minus, तो कैसे करोगे?
A minimum, B maximum.
A minimum and B maximum. A minimum कितना है? 1,
1.
right? And
Yes.
B maximum चाहिए. Maximum value क्या है? A.
-8.
So ये -7. समझा ये सबको?
Yes.
Anyone any doubts with this? Anyone any doubts? Can we go to other numbers now?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't worry, I'll share the complete sheet with you people. So don't take the screenshots. बहुत सारे screenshots हो जाते हैं. पूरा sheet मिल जाएगा तो आपको solve करने में भी आसानी होगी. Okay? Now, next 5 का test क्या है? Quickly.
Divisible by 5. Last number.
What?
Last number should be
number
0
should
or
be
or
0 or
Multiple of 5.
Five.
Multiple.
25 का क्या होना चाहिए? Last 2 digits should be either 25, 50, 75 or 00. ये बराबर है टेस्ट? अगर आप 25 का टेबल देखते हो तो क्या मिलता है? 25, 50, 75, 100. फिर से 125, 150, 175, 200. फिर से 225, 250, 275, 300. So लास्ट में ये चार के अलावा कोई कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं आ रहा हमारे पास, करेक्ट? Yes or no? अरे
मैम आपकी आवाज में बहुत डिस्टरबेंस है.
सॉरी.
बहुत डिस्टरबेंस है पीछे, आई गेस.
Okay, everyone just mute yourself. अभी भी आ रहा है?
नो मैम.
Okay. So now over here, what did I say? For 25, if you just check the table of 25, can we say that last में यही दो numbers दिखते हैं हमको, इनमें से कुछ तो कुछ option दिखता है, या तो 25, 50, 75, 00. इसके अलावा कोई numbers नहीं दिखेंगे आपको. So over here, test for 25 is what? Last 2 digits should be either 25, 50, 75 or 00. Okay. What would be test of 10?
Last number should be
Last
0.
number 0.
Last digit should be, there should be minimum 1 0. Then only it is divisible. Max 2-3 zeros रहेंगे तो भी divisible रहेगा ही ना 10 से, right? But 1 0 minimum चाहिए. What about 100? Last में you should have minimum of
two
how
zeros.
many zeros? 2
Two.
zeros. So if I give you number 70, is 70 divisible by 100?
No.
0 तो है, but 2 zeros नहीं. But if I give you 700, then it is divisible.
Yeah.
If I give you 7000, still it is divisible. So minimum कितना चाहिए आपको? Minimum 2. So what would be there for 1000? Minimum of how?
Minimum 0.
Minimum of 3 zeros. Got it, everyone? Test for 5 and powers of 10. Okay, next one. Test for 11. Now, test for 11 is a bit different one. I'll just explain you with an example. 2, 5, 7, 8, 1, 6. I don't know whether it is divisible or no, just written as it is. So what you have to do is just add the alternate numbers. So 2 plus 7 plus 1, just add them. Okay. What is the addition that you will get over here? 10. Keep it as it is. Now add the remaining numbers. So 5 plus 8 gives me 11. 11 plus 6 gives me how much? 17. ये समझा सबको यहाँ तक? What did I do? I added alternate numbers. Now, next what you have to do is find difference between these two numbers. So, difference between these two.
Ma'am, 11 plus 8 equals to 19.
क्या हो गया? Plus 6.
11 plus 8.
2 plus 7 is 9.
Ma'am, 13 plus 6 is 19.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. Yes.
हाँ.
Yeah. So differences of 9. Differences of 9. Okay. Now, whatever difference you get, that number, if it is divisible by 11, then the complete number is divisible by 11. Is 9 divisible by 11? 9 है क्या divisible 11 से?
No.
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 Oh.
That means this complete number is not divisible by 11. Understood this? अगर ये 9 की जगह 22 आता difference, then what? क्या divisible रहता फिर?
Yes.
Yes. अगर 0 आता तो?
Yes.
अगर 0 आता तो?
No.
Yes.
No.
0 is divisible by all numbers. 0 सबके टेबल में आता है. 11 zeros का कितना आता है? 0. Yeah. So this difference, whatever you get, okay, difference should be divisible by 11 or it should be 0. समझा ये टेस्ट सबको 11 का? Anyone any doubts with this? Can I take other numbers? Okay, now I'm writing few numbers 6, 12, 15, 18, 21. अभी तक जितने भी numbers देखे थे आप लोगों ने, what were those? Those were nothing but powers of some prime number. Yes or no? Mostly it was of that case only. Now when you see 6, 12, 5, 15, 18, 21, can we say it's actually nothing but a combination of some numbers, like 6 is nothing but 2 into 3, 12 is nothing but either 2 into 6 or 3 into 4, 15 is nothing but 3 into 5, 18 is either like 3 6s or 2 9s, 27 is nothing but 3 into 7. Okay? So ये टाइप के जब numbers मिलते हैं आपको, composite numbers, test here is the numbers. Let's say if we check the test of 6, 6 का test क्या रहेगा? If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. 12 का test क्या रहेगा? The number is divisible by 3 or 4. मैंने 2 और 6 क्यों नहीं लिया है? कुछ सोच सकते हो तुम लोग?
यस मैम, क्योंकि 6 को अगर सिंपलीफाई किया तो वापस 2 आएगा, तो डबल 2 हो
वापस 2
जाएगा.
आएगा, करेक्ट. तो बेसिकली आप क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ पे? आपने 2 और 6 लिया, आपने चेक किया, ओके 2 से डिविजिबल है, बट इसके अंदर और एक 2 है ना, राइट? सो जो भी कॉम्बिनेशन आप लोगे वो नंबर्स में कुछ भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं चाहिए. लाइक 3 and 4 कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है, राइट? 3 and 5 कोई कॉमन नहीं है, बट 3 and 6 ले सकते हैं 18 के लिए? नहीं, बिकॉज यहाँ पे कॉमन फैक्टर क्या है? 3. so, इसलिए 18 के लिए हम लोग क्या कॉम्बिनेशन लेंगे? 2 and 9. 21 के लिए 3 and 7. समझ में आया सबको ये? Now with this, can you tell me what will be test of 99?
It must be divisible by 11 and 9.
It should be divisible by 11 and 9. Understood this, everyone? Yes, no, tell me something.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's take few examples which are based on application of divisibility tests. Okay, solve this question, and I'm writing down few more questions that you have to solve. So this is number 10. After that, you have to solve. Okay, only 2 questions there on divisibility test. Solve it. Question number 10 and 11. Solve it.
Option B.
Let everyone just solve it, and then we'll discuss that. Done, everyone? Both the questions?
Ma'am, just a minute.
Yeah. Okay, what will happen now, people, if people get disconnected, now try contacting your some friends or put it in group also. And क्या होता है ना कि I am not there with WhatsApp, connected जब मैं आपके साथ में यहाँ पे session ले रही हूँ. So if at all you find anyone who's there in the waiting and अगर उनका message आता है, okay, then please know whosoever is there in the class, okay? This number now, x3627y0 is divisible by 44. क्या टेस्ट होगा 44 के लिए? क्या टेस्ट देखेंगे हम लोग?
4 and 11.
4 and 11. ओके, अभी यहाँ पे कौन से टेस्ट के साथ में पहले मुझे वर्क करना पड़ेगा? 11 में तो मुझे सारे टेस्ट हैं. So can we try working with 4 and then find value of y over here? So y हमको चाहिए ऐसा वैल्यू चाहिए so that the last two digits are divisible by 4. Okay. Now, which are those digits which you can place at the place of y and you want the maximum value over here? 4 से कौन
8. Y will be 8.
Y can take two values. One is 4, one is 8. या तो 0, right? To be divisible by 4. Y की जगह पे आप 0 डालो, 4 डालो या 8 डालो, but उसमें से आपको maximum
6 also.
Yeah, 6 also. 60 भी हो जाएगा, correct?
2 also.
And
2 also.
2 also. So y के the different all possible values क्या क्या है? So it could be 0, it could be 2, it could be 4, it could be 6, it could be
6.
but maximum क्या है? 8. So y is nothing but 8. Now placing 8 over here, you will get like x 3 6 2 7 8 0 alternate numbers. Okay, and these alternate numbers. So basically ये इसका addition क्या आ जाएगा? 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 8 13. ऊपर x को थोड़ा अभी exclude कर देते हैं. 6 plus 7 13. Now 13 plus x कुछ तो है, okay, and ये कुछ तो हमको ऐसा चाहिए number and that should be a single digit number. So what do you think? क्या आंसर आएगा? क्या सिंगल डिजिट नंबर हम डालेंगे so that इनका 0 या तो 11 का डिविजिबल होना चाहिए कोई नंबर. अगर मैं यहाँ पे डालती हूँ 13 minus 13 यहीं पे 0 हो रहा है और अगर नेक्स्ट नंबर डिविजिबल कर तो x को 11 होना पड़ेगा, but x cannot be 11. 11 is the two digit number and we want what number? A single digit number, right? So can we say x is nothing but 0?
Yes.
Yes.
And there is
अगर
no
x 0 है तो what is x plus y?
8.
कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुआ है.
No ma'am, ऐसा ही आंसर आ
Can
रहा है
we
उसका.
take
8 ही
it
आंसर
as 9?
No, we can't.
Just check
Ma'am?
अगर एडिशन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम.
मैम y की वैल्यू अलग करनी होगी.
Yes मैम, y की वैल्यू अलग कंसीडर करनी होगी. 6.
ओके,
Six,
लेट्स
ma'am,
से
six
अगर
से
मैं
होता है,
y की
4 से.
वैल्यू चेंज करती हूँ यहाँ पे बिकॉज अभी 11 के साथ में भी वर्क कर रहे हैं हम लोग. सो यहाँ पे हमको कितना सम मिल रहा है? अगर हम लोग y की वैल्यू अगर हम लोग 8 ले रहे हैं तो हमको x कितना मिल रहा है? 0. एंड देयरफॉर x प्लस y हमको कितना मिल रहा है? 8. करेक्ट. नाउ लेट्स से इफ आई वर्क विद 6 एज y, ओके, y के यहाँ पे हम लोग 6 अगर लिखते हैं सो व्हाट विल हैपन? यहाँ पे ये नंबर कितना हो जाएगा? 11. करेक्ट. में ऐसा क्या ऐड करेंगे एंड देन माइनस 11 करेंगे उसमें तो वो 11 से डिविजिबल हो जाएगा.
9.
13 माइनस 11 अभी हम लोग करते हैं तो 2 मिल रहा है. 2 प्लस 9 दैट मींस x का वैल्यू अगर हम लोग 9 लेते हैं देन इट इज डिविजिबल. x 6 प्लस 9 विल गिव मी व्हाट नंबर ओवर हियर? 15. या
मैम
14 और 13 तो गया, रूल आउट हो गया. चेक करना है कि 17 कहीं से मिल रहा है या नहीं मिल रहा है. ओके, सो लेट्स चेक इट विद 4. अगर हम लोग y का वैल्यू 4 लेते हैं, मतलब 6 की जगह पे अगर यहाँ पे हमने 4 लिखा, ओके, सो क्या हो जाएगा, ये वाला जो सम है ये कितना हो जाएगा अभी 9, करेक्ट। अब यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू आप क्या लोगे, सो दैट वो अगर जब आप ऐड करते हो तो आपको आंसर मैक्सिमम मिलेगा। सो 30 + 9 विल गिव मी व्हाट 4 में ऐसा क्या ऐड करूं कि मुझे 11 मिल रहा है 7, yes or no? So if this is 4, if I put, okay, मैंने उल्टा लिखा क्या, I'm so sorry, मैंने ये नंबर यहाँ पे x over here, y over here. So if x is 4, so ये हमको कितना मिल रहा है 7. So 4 + 7 is 11. So what is the maximum sum you got? 15. Understood this? Understood this? Yeah. Someone was saying something, couldn't hear you. Got it, everyone? Let's go on to the next question then.
Can you explain this?
The complete thing you want, Nia?
Yes, ma'am.
See, okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just erase everything. I'll clear this. Okay. So now, to number to be divisible by 4, you have to check test of 4 and 11. Okay, Nia? Ye samjha na? Now the number is x3, 6,
Yes.
7, y, 0. So all possible values of y क्या क्या हो सकते हैं निया, ये आई गेस आपको समझ गया होगा 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8.
Yes.
Okay. So now let's say if I put y equals to 8, your number becomes what? X 3, 6, 2, 7, 8, 0. You have to check for test of 11, right, Nia? So if you try to add this lower digits, you get number as 13, sum as, okay? और ऊपर के digits अगर आप add करते हो, so 6 + 7, 13, right? So it will be 13 + x. Now इन दोनों का आपको difference find करना है, and ये difference it should be
13 + x.
11. So क्या होगा ये x का value यहाँ पे 0. digit number होना चाहिए नहीं आइए, okay? 13 में अगर आप let's say 1 भी ऐड करते हो, 2 ऐड करते हो, 3, 9 ऐड करते हो, डिविजिबल रहेगा क्या वो 11 से? अगर आप उसका डिफरेंस फाइंड करोगे, ये नंबर नहीं, तो सिर्फ 0 वर्कआउट होगा. सो विद y equals to 8, x का वैल्यू क्या वर्कआउट हो सकता है? सिर्फ 0. ये समझा निया? Nia, did you understand this?
Ma'am.
Okay. Now let's say if we take y equals to 6, so it will be like x 3, 6, 2, 7, 6, 0. Okay. Again adding, sorry, just a second. So adding alternate digits again. So ऊपर का नंबर अभी क्या हो जाएगा? नीचे का एडिशन क्या हो जाएगा निया? Again it is 30. So 11 में ऐसा क्या ऐड करोगे वो और फिर उसमें से 30 माइनस करोगे तो वो 11 से डिविजिबल होगा. What number will you add?
11 में
11 नहीं, I'm sorry, 11 आया ना ये? Yeah.
Ma'am, can it be 9?
क्या एडिशन रहेगा आपको, आप बताओ मुझे.
Ma'am, can it be 9?
Yes, it will be 9. 11 + 9 will give me what number? नहीं 9 नहीं होएगा निया. See how you can go about with it is like 13 and 11 डिफरेंस कितना आ रहा है? 2 में ऐसा क्या ऐड करोगे कि वो 11 9 ना? So क्या हो रहा है confusion? Just a sec. Did we make some mistake over here while solving this? Just a sec. Let's
13 + x.
डिनोमिनेटर में क्या लिखा है मैंने? 3 + 2. Okay. I'm so sorry. Denominator this would be 3 + 2 5, 5 + 6 that is 11, and numerator would be 6 + 7 that is 13, right? यहाँ पे 13 आएगा. Okay. So now what number will you place it at the place of x so that you know the difference will be divisible by 11? Now 13 minus 11 gives us 2. 2 में कुछ तो add करना है, right? So that should be divisible by 11. That is nothing but 9. So x का value would be 9. Okay. Now let's say if you take like y equals to 4, the number becomes x3 62740. Over here, working with the alternate digits again. So ऊपर का number again it will be x plus 13 or 13 plus x. Denominator में क्या हो जाएगा ये number अभी 9, right? So what value will you put at place of x so that this number will be divisible by 11? So आप shortcut method क्या है यहाँ पे 13 minus 9 करो. Now what is 13 minus 9? Nia, are you there? Nia? I don't know whether she is there or no. Okay, fine. So 13 में से अगर आप 9 minus करते हो तो you are left with what? 4. 4 में क्या add करोगे so that it will be divisible by 11? That will be nothing but what? 7. So with y equals to 4, आप x का क्या value लोगे? 7. And you have to try to find out which combination will give you the maximum sum. So you're getting maximum sum at 6 and 9. That is 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. So answer over here is option D. Got it, everyone? The next question.
Answer is 6.
What number, if this number is divisible by 72, then which of the following number should be replaced by? So 72 का test क्या है first of all?
8 and 9. 8 and 9.
The number should be divisible by 8 also and 9 also. Yeah. So the number is 42573B. Right? Now B के जगह पे options भी है. Options के साथ workout करो या तो फिर normal जो हमारा test है वो देखो 73B. When you try to divide this number by 8. Okay, so 8 9s आपने 72 लिख दिया, यहाँ पे 1 है. B की जगह पे क्या नंबर लिखोगे so that it will be divisible? 6. इसके अलावा और कोई नंबर लिख सकते हैं क्या हम लोग? नहीं, right? So B has to be what? 6. करने के लिए just add up all the digits. So 4 plus 2 6 plus 5 11 plus 7 18. 18 plus 9 will give me 27. That means it is divisible by 9. So answer over here is option C, which is 6. Understood this, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Anyone, any doubts? Anyone, any doubts till what we have taken?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Let me check if we can start with some topic. For this topic, we are still left out with questions which are based on finding out the last digit, that is concept of cyclicity. HCM and LCM also we are left out with. Both the topics it's really difficult to work with. Okay, some question based on logical reasoning. Let's try to solve that. Reasoning नहीं मतलब common sense पे है, nothing related to okay. Okay, great. We got a question which is based on divisibility. I want you okay, let's solve it together. Number is of a form 5 4x3y. It is known that the number is divisible by 36. 36 का test क्या रहेगा? Quickly. What will be test of 36?
3, 6.
9 and 4.
No,
9,
no.
4,
9 and
4
4.
and 9.
You have to take two numbers such that they don't have any common factor between them, right? Got it? So it will be divisible by 4 and 9. Now, can we try to find out all possible values of x and y over here? Can we try to find which number we will find first? Y find करेंगे कि x find करेंगे? Y, right? Okay. So what are possible values of y? Y के जगह क्या क्या डाल सकते हैं हम लोग? 0 से तो कुछ नहीं होगा, 1 नहीं डालेंगे, 2 होगा, 2 वर्कआउट होगा, right? उसके बाद में 6 होगा वर्कआउट, y can be 6 also, correct ना? Anything apart from that?
Yes.
Anything apart from these two numbers?
No.
No, right? So y can be either 2 or 6. Now, with y equals to 2, let's find value for x. 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. Correct? So 5 plus something should become 9. So x की जगह पे क्या डालोगे अभी? 4. Addition of all the numbers should be divisible by 9, right? So 5 plus 4 is 9. Plus 5 is 14. में क्या ऐड करोगे so that the number will be divisible by 9?
4.
तो 14 plus x करना है, right? So x का वैल्यू आप क्या डालोगे? 4. Then only it will be divisible by 9. So x का वैल्यू हमको यहाँ पे क्या मिला? 4. With y equals to 6, नंबर क्या बनेगा? 5, 4, x, 3, 6. Correct? Now,
X
what
is
will be
equal
in place of x over here? x की जगह पे क्या क्या हो सकता है?
0. 9. Yes.
9 भी possible है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what are the combinations of x and y that we are getting? What are different combinations that we are getting?
2, 4,
When
0.
x is 2, y is 4. Sorry,
No,
sorry.
x is 4,
No,
y.
ma'am, and x is 4.
Just a second. Yeah. So when x is 4, y is 2. Okay. And when y is 6, either you can get x as 0 or you can get x as 9. So these are the values that we are getting. Correct, no? Understood this, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Further, using the values of x and y that are obtained, some new 3-digit number form x, y, 7. So 3-digit number क्या मिलेगा आपको? That will be 472. Next would be what? Will I get 3-digit number with this
No.
combination?
No, 9, 6.
ये
9,
discard
7,
हो जाएगा,
26.
right? And then you will have 976. These are the 2 3-digit numbers that we are getting. Yes or no? Did you understand why did I discard 06 over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because it will not form a 3-digit number. And वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि आपको 3-digit number चाहिए. Let's see the questions now. What can be the possible values of x plus y? X plus y की possible values क्या क्या है? ये अभी 06 डिस्कस हो गया है. अभी आपके पास combination से 4, 2 and 9, 6 बचा है. What are the possible sum over here? 6 and 15. So यहाँ पे आंसर क्या मार्क करोगे? 6 भी है, 15 भी है.
D.
Either A or C.
A or C. Next question. In addition to the above information, it is known that 5, 4, x, 3, y is multiple of 8. मतलब x की जगह पे हम लोगों ने हमारे पास कॉम्बिनेशन क्या क्या था x and y का? Either 4, 2, 9, 6 and y 4, 2, 9, 6. अभी वो लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं कि ये जो नंबर है it should be divisible by 8. Right? So अगर हम लोग last 3 digits देखते हैं तो नंबर क्या क्या बनेगा? 432 and 936. Are these divisible by 8? दोनों नंबर चेक करो. First number divisible है 8 से?
Yes.
Yes. What about the second number? That is also divisible. Is it divisible?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Yes, right? That means how many pair we are getting? 2 pairs. Got it? The next question. If sum of all 3-digit numbers of the forms x, 7, y is calculated, then what must be added to the sum to make it divisible by 7? So let's see the numbers that we got. So what were the numbers that we got? That was 472, 976. 472 and then we have 976. If we add up all the digits over here, 4 plus 7 plus 2, कितना मिलेगा addition यहाँ पे? 30. Correct. And 9 plus 7 plus 6. What is the addition that you will be getting over here? Correct. Now, what should be added to these numbers so that the number become divisible by 7? 13 में क्या add करोगे so that the number should be divisible by 1? 22 में क्या add करोगे?
6.
6. Okay. 1 भी है, 6 भी है यहाँ पे. आई गेस ऑप्शन यहाँ पे कुछ और होना चाहिए था, लाइक इधर या कुछ। चेक की में क्या दिया है। दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 31.
No, ma'am, or it can be we
Yeah.
have that we have to calculate the sum of 472 plus 976, and
Just
then
let me, yeah. Sum
Yes.
of all 3 digit of the
Yes.
numbers लिखा है
All
यहाँ
three
पे।
digits.
Yes. That means हमको 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 6 करना है, right? No.
no, ma'am, I am
It
telling
will
we
be
add
472
472
The
plus
numbers.
976.
the number,
Add the
the
numbers.
whole values we have to add.
Sorry.
We can try by adding the whole values.
Yeah, the number,
472
complete
plus-
number, complete
yeah,
number
yeah.
we are adding. Okay. When we add the complete number over here, so we'll get 1448. Okay. अब ये 1448 के जो digits है उनको add करो. This is what the question is saying, right? To make this number divisible by 7, यहाँ पे क्या add करना पड़ेगा हमको? ये वाले number में हमको क्या add करना पड़ेगा? Don't work with the digits. ये ना कुछ तो गलत लिखा हुआ है. ये all 3 digit number आता, right? So we have not to digits over here, so we have to work with the complete number only. Okay. Yes.
Answer
1448 में
will be
क्या
one.
add करोगे so that it will be divisible by 7?
1.
1. जैसे ये 49 बनेगा तो ये divisible होगा. Thus the answer is this number is divisible by 7. Got it, everyone? Everyone understood this? Yeah. Anyone, any doubts with whatever topics that we have taken? Okay, for the next class, I am just saying right now, we'll be working with the concept of cyclicity and the concept of HCF and LCM. So I want everyone to read about these 2 topics. Is it okay? Yeah? Yes, no, कुछ बोलो यार.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now see you in the next class. Bye everyone. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah.
Bye, ma'am.